Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a book review for you. Book that a lot of people love to hate. Nobody really loves to read, except for me. I guess I'm kind of weird because I read this book once a year because I think it's very valuable. But that is Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand. Huge, long. She really liked her own words. And, you know, it's 1,000 pages, okay? But very good book as far as fiction goes. Fiction that tells a message, that tells a story. Not really as entertaining as some other books, but the idea that people who can do what they love to do, and they produce because that's their personality, that's their life. And we can take a lot, government taxing, and we don't really mind, helping other folks, but at some point it stops being help, starts being enabling. People start taking, more and more until they think we have a duty to produce for them. And the idea is, what happens if the producers of the world get tired of being told that they're evil because they're rich or because they have skills that other people don't have? What if they stopped, right? And I find as the years progress, this stops being, a fiction book and starts being, a highlight of roadmap of where we're going. And last year when I read it, I was like, whoa, dude, they're doing this now. You hear the evil rich and the 1% and occupy this and whatever. Because somehow it's turned out to be evil to be successful because you've taken the risk and you've done the work. And this book, is a little bit of philosophy that says, no, it's okay to be selfish, because if you don't take care of you, you don't have anything else. You don't have anything to do for anybody. You can't do anything else. If I don't take care of my family, and protect them, if I don't store food, if I don't, learn these skills, a disaster comes, I don't have anything to take care of me, so I sure don't have anything to help anybody else, right? But I shouldn't really have to, It's good, it's nice, whatever, but if everybody took care of themselves, we wouldn't have problems, right? Or we wouldn't have as many problems. But anyway, this is a great book, good book to have on your bookshelf, and a good book to read, all right? So, Ayn Rand, Atlas Shrugged.